97 miles an hour overnight, higher over the mountains. The winds are moderating as we head through the day, but the outlook remains wet and windy. And then slowly but surely they'll start to open, but it's certain that there'll be more trees down and more homes without power because of that as well. So the next few hours, things are getting worse with regards to impacts, but at least the weather is improving. So let's look at the details here on our giant wall to show what is happening at the moment. And the big thing is overnight winds gust up to 97 miles an hour through parts of Wales, 77 miles an hour through northern England, even 74 miles an hour in the Isle of Wight. Higher gusts over 100 miles an hour for the Scottish mountains, thanks to our deep low, Storm Jocelyn. It's now... Good morning to you. Storm Jocelyn battered the northern half of the UK overnight last night. How windy was it? Well, where we thought the wind gusts would be up to 79 miles an hour in Aberdaron, but even as high as 97 miles an hour in Capel Curig, North Wales. But thankfully, the winds are starting to ease. The low-pressure Storm Jocelyn clearing away, and the winds will start to fall as we head through the next few hours. But still a warning until 8 o'clock this morning. Good morning to you. Storm Jocelyn battered northern areas of the UK overnight last night. It is now starting to clear away, but wind gust-wise, here's what we had. The peak gusts, we were forecasting up to 80 miles an hour. We had 97 miles an hour in Capel Curig across Wales, and the winds are still strong. But the low pressure with Storm Jocelyn is clearing away, so the winds moderating this morning and then easing later on. Still warnings in force. The amber one expires at 8 o'clock, but yellow across basically from the Midlands northwards, with still gusts of 60 to 70 miles an hour outside at the moment. So today is one of sunny spells and blustery conditions with those winds easing. So the latest satellite and radar picks out showers for Scotland and northern areas of England. The showers continue this morning, but then ease by this afternoon. It's a largely dry day ahead after a very gusty morning. Lighter winds this afternoon. Lighter winds, welcome news. There'll be many trees down, still power outages and roads and rail closed, but they'll be opening up hopefully later on today. Good morning. Now, many people kept awake across the north of the UK last night by Storm Jocelyn across the UK. Winds peaked at 97 miles an hour. We're forecasting up to at least 80. So we achieved the winds that we were forecasting, and there is still more strong winds this morning, but thankfully they moderate this morning and ease this afternoon. Warnings in force from the Met Office until early afternoon from the Midlands northwards. It's worth pointing out that there are still trees that have fallen onto rail lines. That means there's still no services, and they'll be checking them through the morning to see when they can start to open them up. And also many trees have come down on power lines. There are further power outages. So today, it's a windy start with heavy showers in the north, but by this afternoon, it's sunny spells and blustery showers, but nowhere near as windy as overnight.